I'm going to make a cute little black cat with this 20 gauge black wire, and we're just going to bring this one around, and then we're going to get our tweezer nose pliers and just give that a good bend, and we're going to form the ears. So we're going to go up and down, and we're going to bring this one around. So there's the head, and then we're going to bend this one down to form the legs. So we're going to bring that one down here. I'll bring this one up with the round pliers. And we're just going to curve this around. And then we're going to do the other leg up that way. And then we want to curve this one around so it looks like an arched back. And then from here, I'm going to bend this across. We could pinch these in a bit more if you want them a little more pointy. And for this one, I want to form the ring. So then we're going to hold the kitty on here, bring it around, because this is going to be the tail. So we're going to bring this one around here. You can do it a little smaller than your ring size to be sure. And then we want to bend this below here. So we're just going to bring this over here, bend this below there, put it back on the ring cone, hold this here, and then bend it around here again. So follow the curve of the ring cone. Make sure this stays sort of aligned. And then this wire is going to go on top. And what we want to do is twist this wire around. We can adjust this one after, but we want to hold this in place and then take this one and just bring it around. You could bring it a couple of times to make sure it's going to hold in place. And then we'll give that a little clip and pinch it, and then we'll put it back on the ring cone. We want to adjust it so the wires are going to stick beside each other. This one we can just clip it, just stick it to the back. Bring this one around, bring it right around. And we could cut that flush, pinch it down so it's flush, put it back on the ring cone, adjust it how you like, and there you have your funky little black cat ring.